Welcome to the HFT Stocks and Options Commentary. I'm Pablo Navarro. Today is Thursday, April 25th, 2013. For the volatility index, the dollar-weighted put-call ratio on the VIX, we have a neutral reading on May and June of 36 and 33% of the total premiums paid. We might notice here that the CBOE was closed for most of the day, opened around 12 in the afternoon today. For SPX 500, here we have the daily chart. You can see here we were up 6.37 handles or 4.4%. As you can see here, very interesting chart. Today's high was 1592 and previous high was 1597. So we're just light here of the highs, very close of the highs here. I remain neutral. I've been saying here I want to see a new high. If I get a new high, I would get bullish here on the market again. But so far I'm neutral for SPX. Going to the Qs. Here we have the daily chart for the Qs. And as you can see here, up 0.5%. Basically the same thing, very close to making a new high for the year. But look at the volume, very light volume today on this run up higher. So I'm neutral. I do not trust this rally here. For IWM, I am bearish on IWM. I've been saying it for a while now. We're trading at today 0.66% higher, not close to the high making here. We're making consecutive new lower highs here on IWM. Volume has been pretty light here on this run up higher. I think we're gonna fail here. Maybe even if we get to this 94 level, 94 and a quarter. That would be a nice entry level to the downside in my opinion, and I'm looking for a test of this 90 level to 88, so that's what I'm looking here for IWM. Gold, very nice day for gold. We were neutral on gold. I continue to be neutral here on gold. We're going higher here, as you can see this daily chart closing almost closing this gap. I think that's gonna be a given. So you have 2 more points at least on the upside that you could trade them. SLV, we've been bearish on SLV. We were up 4% today. Very good day for SLV. You can see here almost 5% now with aftermarkets, and we broke the range here. I'm now neutral on SLV, and we'll see what happens from here. Very hard to trade it from here. Going to the stocks, here we have the Apple chart. I talked about getting bullish if we were able to close above the 412. We failed there. You can see here we're failing at this descending trend line. I want to see a breakout to get cautiously bearish. Going to Amazon, coming out with earnings after the close. It beat estimates, but we're down 8 points here. As you can see here, we're gonna have to see what it opens around this level, around the 50-day moving average, if we're able to hold. Also, Wynn Resorts coming out with earnings after the close. Better earnings than expected. Stock still down. We'll see how it opens tomorrow, but from here on I'm looking for a bullish trade. What else here? Cyrus Logic coming out with earnings and down hard in the aftermarket, sorry. You can see it here. We were down 2.88 in the up 2.88, and now we're down almost the same, giving back almost all the gains. Google today pretty down 0.5% on an up market, not good here. Overall failing again at this level we talked about. We have the 50-day moving average here as support. So very neutral here. If we break out of this level, I would be bullish buying it to the 480. 840, I'm sorry, 840. And now last chart, BA, Boeing. Here we have a good update today, 1.5% higher, but aftermarket, well, doesn't matter. We're up here. I think we're going higher. I would get bullish breaking above the 92.65 would be my target to get bullish on this name.